Welcome, my full name is a Huawei P40 Lite, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card. So before we get started, there is the SIM eject tool that you will need for this. I have one right here. It comes provided in a box, you can find it somewhere in there, but if you can't, you can always use a paper clip, just straighten out one of the edges and it will work just as well. Just get rid of this. Okay, so from here you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device, so right here where the pen is holding right now, and you can push it out and you get no SD tray, at least not this one, because everybody that buys a budget device will most certainly want to buy their nano memory. So yeah, so basically you can either put two SIM cards in here, so you'd put one right here or here, or you could also drop in a nano memory if you have one lying around by some miracle. It would go to the edge of the tray, so the one that goes actually deeper into the device. It's faintly labeled right here, nano memory, and then SD, or not SD but SIM I meant. So yeah, so I just slide that back in, and I don't actually have nano memory laying anywhere around because I kind of find it useless, and nothing apart from Huawei uses it. And yeah, once you put in the SIM card, you can see that it automatically works, and I need to put in a pin to unlock it, and the device is so graceful to, without any question, change the language to the language of the SIM card. So amazing. Now I have to change it back. But that is how you insert it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.